my new wallpaper.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Leighton. So today we are with the one and only Jack Price, who has brought his van in for the LVRF treatment. So we've had this van just a little bit over 24 hours and he's had the full exterior styling kit done. And to be honest, I've got to say it looks absolutely incredible. The team have done an absolutely incredible job to get this van turned around in the short time that we've had. So yeah, Jack, what's your thoughts? What are you thinking?
I genuinely can't believe that's the same van.
It's absolutely mental to think that you literally dropped this van off with us yesterday morning and then we've just delivered it back to you in all of its beauty.
I know, it's unbelievable. I can't believe how much difference it does make, because the standard wheels are just so underwhelming. And obviously this is just, yeah. Doesn't even look like the same van.
No, it's absolutely incredible. So Jack decided that he wanted to go for the LV T1s in gloss black. So we had a little bit of a wait for that, but we finally managed to get him booked in and we finally managed to put everything together. So he's gone for the LVRF front chin and splitter, the LV T1s in gloss black, side sills, side repeaters, the rear bumper, spoiler. He's gone for the full exterior kit, which is fully available to purchase on the website. But yeah, I'm glad that we managed to get it turned around in such a short time for you.
I'm not really speaking a lot. I'm a bit speechless, to be honest. But no, yeah, just thank you guys. It's absolutely unbelievable. I cannot believe that can be done in 24 hours. I was speaking to one of my friends today and he said, when are you picking the van up? But he thought it was going to be next week. But obviously, 24 hours later, we're here.
That's absolutely, it's been our pleasure to have you here, and it's been an absolute pleasure to have you in and to get this van back to you in the styling that you wanted. I know that obviously when you dropped it off you were a little bit worried about how low we went on the Cobra springs.
Yeah.
Obviously, what's your thoughts now?
Yeah, no, I think it's fine. Well, the bike is in the back anyway now, so I don't think there's not going to be much weight added to it now, so it's pretty much as it will be. So yeah, no, it's perfect. Looks good.
Absolutely incredible. Obviously, if you want to follow the van's journey, you will be able to follow Jack on social media. But yeah, other than that is it from us.
Thank you very much.
You're more than welcome.